Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So today we're going to study about how to divide fractions. Alam ko, this is already common and this is basic, but as experienced teacher, ito yung pinakamahirap sa lahat ng para sa lahat ng mga estudyante. So not only dapat ito grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, dapat ito'y kabisado na, pero nasa grade 11 na, grade 12, limot pa rin nila. So it's better to follow up and let's start to go to revive and to review. All right. Now before we go on, we just multiply fraction and write the answers and lowest term because this is important. Okay. Now we have here 5 times 2/3. So we're gonna have, okay, we can answer this actually directly because 5 has denominator of 1. So side by side, 5 times 2 is equals to 10. 1 times 3 is equals to 3. So how many 3's in 10? So that's 3 and 1/3. Okay, 3 and 1/3 is the final answer and it's already in lowest terms. Next, we have 3/8 times 40. So the denominator of 40 is 1. So we can cross multiply in the cross product. We have 40 divided by 8 is 1 and 4. Yeah, 8 divided by 8 is 1. 40 divided by 8 is 5. Okay? So 3 times 5 is 15. So the final answer is 15. Okay? You can you can multiply directly or you can use the um side by side like 40 times 3, that is 120 divided by 8. Still your final answer is 15. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, so what is 1/2 of 1/3? So it's part of the review. So 1/2 of 1/3, so that is 1/3 times 1/2. Okay, so we have 1/3. So we have 3 here. One is colored or darkened. We and we take half of it. No, so we have, okay, 1/2 times 1/3 is 1/6. Okay, next let's have division. Notes. Divide fractions with model means how many fours are in, or how many twos in 8. Okay, so because it's not, so it should be how many twos in 8. All right, here, layo, diba? Okay, so we have, all right, so we have how many twos? We have 4. So I have 4 groups of 2. Let us try the fraction. So how many means how many fours are in. So we have 1/2 are in 4. That means 4 divided by 1/2. Okay, so we got, so there have 8 groups of 1/2. So we have 8 groups of 1/2. Now, in dividing fraction, so for our vocabulary, the product fraction, it's reciprocal or multiplicative inverse is 1. So to make a reciprocal, flip the fraction upside down. Okay. We write the fraction form, turn mixed numbers and whole numbers into improper fractions, multiply by the reciprocal, keep it, change it, and flip it method. And as always, simplify. So do not have to find the common denominators. Next, so when dividing fractions, don't be shy. Flip the second and multiply. Okay, let's have examples. We have 1/2 divided by 1/3. That would be 1/2. Copy the first. flip the second, change the operation and flip the second. So we have 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2, or that's equivalent to 1 and 1 half. Next, we have 2 divided by 1/3. Okay, so we have, or 3/4, 2 divided by 3/4. We have 2 over 1 because any whole number, the denominator is a 1. Change the operation into multiplication and then flip the second. So with that will be 4 over 3, or that's 8 over 3, or 2 and 2/3. Okay, next for number 3, we have 3/5 divided by 1 and 1 half. Okay, so we have 3 over 5 divided by, so we change this into an improper. So 2 times 1 equals 1, 2 times plus 1, it's 3. And then flip to 3/5, copy, change the operation, and flip the second as 2/3. We got a 2 cancelled. So we have already cancelled because using the GCF, okay, or cross product theory. So we got 2/3 as our final answer. Okay, let's have more examples. We have 4/9 divided by 3/9. So copy the 4/9, change the operation, and flip the second 3 over 3 so that we have, okay, then try to cancel the second, or the 3 and 8 using their GCF using this product. So we got 3 divided by 3 is 1, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 3 times 1 is 4, and 3 times 1 is 3, or that's 1 and 1/3. Next we have number 5. So we have 7 over, or 4/7 divided by 8 and 4/9. So we got we have 4/7, and then we convert the mixed number into improper. So 9 times 8 is 72 plus 4, 76 over 9. Then copy the 4/7, change the operations, and flip the second. That's 9 over 76. So we have for 4 and 76, we have 4 divided by 4 is 1, 76 divided by 4 is 19. So the final answer is 9 over 133. Okay, so we have here 1 and 7, 8 divided by 2, 7, or 2 and 2/5. Okay, again. So we have 1 and 7, 8 divided by 2 and 2, 7. First, we need to convert into improper. So we have 8 times 1 is 8 plus 7, 15 over 8, correct? 5 times 2 is equal to 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, so we have, and then next we have copy and flip the second. So we have 15 times 5 is, okay, so 15 and 12, it has GCF using the cross product theorem. We get 15 divided by 3 is 5, 12 divided by 3 4, 3 is 4, okay, or 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we got 5 times 25, and 8 times 4 is 32. Okay, so ang daldal ko, pero para wala yatang tama. So if you want to find the common denominators, you can. So use denominators will divide away, and you will divide the numerator straight across. Okay, so we have here so the common denominator. Okay, so we have 3, no, that's 1/2. That is 3 divided by 2, or 3 over 2, that's over 1/2. Okay, next. Okay, so let's solve for this and see if what number we can do. Okay, so let's practice. So we have copy the first, change the operation, flip the second, that's 9 over 7. Then find the GCF of 3 and 9 using cross product. So we have the GCF is 3. So 3 divided by is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 7 is 7. Okay? Next, we have 1/2 times 6/5. So in here, we can directly, no, directly multiply or still find the GCF, no? So the GCF of 2 and 6 using cross product is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 1 times 3 is 3 and 1 times 5 is 5. Okay? So we have 6, 9 times 10 over 1. Okay? So since here we have 6 times 10, 60 divided by 9. Okay? All right. So for 60 divided by 9, that is si 6. 60 divided by 9, I think 9, 12, 15. Okay, sorry, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 45. How many 69? Okay. It's easy. How many? There are six. Because six six times nine is 54. So 60 minus 54 is 49. Okay. So don't be shy. Sometimes it's hard to think, but as you go on, you can do it. Okay, let's have number 7. So because we need the space here. So 9, 10 times 6 over 2. So the flip. Then we can, using the cross product, so we have the GCF of 6 and 9 is 2. So we have 6 divided by 2 is 3, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then multiply. 9 times 3 is 27, okay, over 5 times 2 is 10. So how many 2's in 10? So there are, oh, how many 10's in 27? There are 2. So with 2 and 7, 10. Okay, so because you need to write your answer in the lowest term. So do you have any question? You can solve it in your own. So practice na kahit matanda na tayo. Aminin, hirap tayo. Minsan hirap tayo magturo sa sarili ng anak natin. Do it. Practice. No? Practice, practice, practice. Okay, so that's all guys. Thank you so much. Love you all. If you have time, you can